Hi everyone, it's Izzy here again. And well, I put the TV back together. We plugged it in. There you have it. You can see there's a little red light on over here. I got the remote control. Okay, you see the little red light, okay? And I got the remote control. We put new batteries in the remote, okay? So now we're getting ready to hit the power button. I hope, with the red light, I don't think there's gonna be a problem, but I'm gonna go ahead and now hit the power button and see what happens. Here we go. Okay, so the light is flashing. Oh, I hear the music. The music came on. It's booting up. Let's see. Okay, let's see what happens here now.
See, it would have cycled off already.
There you go. And there you have it. There's the TV. You see the TV's on. Everyone, I don't know if you noticed this, but the TV is on. It's not cycling. It's not going on and off like it used to. It used to go on and off, on and off, on and off. Okay, and the only way to turn it off was to unplug the plug. So, just what's the whole purpose of this video? Well, basically it's like this. So, most people would take a TV, a beautiful TV like this, and take it to a repairman. The guy tells you $200–300, and people say, nah, it's not worth it, and they throw it out. So I took the TV, put it down, we took it apart. You do a visual inspection. I didn't use any tools. I used a screwdriver basically to open it up. I did a visual. I looked at the capacitors. I saw that they were bubbled up, as I showed you in the previous video, and you can clearly see that they were bad. And we went out, spent $3 for each capacitor, okay, total $6 in parts. I went ahead and soldered it into place. Of course, you gotta be careful, you gotta have a little bit of care, you gotta watch out that you don't shock yourself, that you are working with electronics. So if you're a novice on this, I don't suggest that you do this yourself. You get an electrician or someone that knows, not necessarily get an electrician, but get someone that knows how to handle a soldering iron and knows how to work around electricity. Other than that, it was a very inexpensive fix. And there you have it, a beautiful TV working, and makes my day. I feel like I accomplished something today. And more importantly, my friend is super happy. So I just wanted to say that. So if you like this whole series of videos, please hit the subscribe button, or definitely hit the like buttons. Okay, and I guess I'll see you guys in our next video. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Okay, take care. Have a great afternoon. So long.